If you crack your knuckles, this is what happens to your body. You've probably been warned that this habit will lead to crippled, shaky hands and painful arthritis. But here's the truth. Decades of research show that's actually a total lie. When you pull your finger, the space between your joints suddenly expands, causing the pressure to drop instantly. This triggers dissolved gases like nitrogen to flash into a 15-millisecond bubble before it collapses. So relax, that loud pop is just gas, and your joints are perfectly safe.